Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to stream on Rumble. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. So now we need just to go to the Rumble website. So I'm just going to go to Rumble, stream, and basically it will take us to Rumble. And from here, we need just to go live after creating our account. So I'm just going to sign up and I'm going to connect with my Google account if they are allowing it, or here in the sign in, I can just click on Google account and I will just click on my profile. I will click on continue, and from here, I will just wait for Rumble to register. So now you can add, click here, you add any day, any month, and here's, for example, 2000 or whatever. I will click on finish and I will go just to the username and add it. For example, I will just use like that, click on this, and only I will add. And basically, after creating your account, you will need just to go to the streaming panel, and here you will need just to go live. You click on go live, and now we will need just to set up a new stream if you don't already have one. So basically, I don't have my stream, so I'm going to set up this one. So I already need to verify my email first. So now, after verifying this here, this account, you will need just to go to static stream key, for example, and you can create your own key. And what matters is to have a server URL and to have a stream key. And basically after that, you will need just to go to your streaming software. And in my case, I'm using OBS. You will need just to go to the settings, and it can this step can change from a software to another, but the principle is the same. You will need just to set your stream URL in your server here for on your streaming software, and of course you will need to take this streaming key, and you can choose any platform templates if you already have one, and you will need just to put the key here. You click OK, and then you start streaming with your software, and you will have your stream that will be running. So basically this is how you can do it. Thank you for watching and see you next time.